Hi, my name is Sumin Yang and I'm a first year student in Geoinformatic Engineering here at INA University. Today, I'd like to recommend this major to students who are still exploring their academic options. There are three main reasons why geoinformatic engineering is worth considering. First, this field has strong future potential. Many modern technologies rely on spatial information, and this trend will continue to grow. For example, technologies like autonomous vehicles, smart cities, drone delivery systems, and environmental analysis all depend on accurate location based data. Since spatial information is essential in these developing areas, this field will continue to be important and valuable. So for students thinking about future careers, this major can provide an advantage in a rapidly expanding industry. Second, this major focuses on a practical learning approach. We don't just study theory, we work with real data and real tools. For example, in photogrammetry, we create 3D data using aerial images, and in remote sensing, we analyze satellite imagery. In the positioning and geodesy course, we collect and process GPS data ourselves. This practical experience helps us apply what we learn to real situations, makes the learning process more meaningful, and prepares us for real work environments. Lastly, this major offers many different career options. We are not limited to one path we can choose based on what interests us. Some students go into tech companies, some go into government agencies or smart city projects, and others work in transportation, environmental research, or disaster response. Since spatial information is used almost everywhere, we can find a career that matches our strengths and interests. Some people may worry because the department is small. However, being a small department actually comes with advantages. Since the community is tight-knit, there are many study groups, team projects, and student-led activities. These groups make it easier to ask questions, study together, and stay motivated. Instead of feeling isolated, students form strong connections and support one another. To summarize, geoinformatics engineering is connected to future technology, allows students to learn through practical experience, and offers diverse career opportunities. For these reasons, I believe this major is worth considering. Thank you for your time, and I hope to see some of you in our department one day.